Hi, welcome all. Today we are going to see about automation process, automation tools, and how to select an automation tool. First one, the automation process. Every application during the software development cycle or during a testing, it has certain phases to follow. The first phase of automation process is selecting the correct test tool. It is essential to select the correct test tool in the automation process. Since the basic of the process, we need to consider about the technology and the language that we have used in the system or the application in order to select the correct test tool. We are having the proof of concept. The proof of concept is a pilot program in automation test process. In this proof of concept, we select a particular area of the project, we'll analyze the code and we'll analyze the technology, we'll select a certain tool and we'll run and execute this tool. This way we can know which will be the correct test tool. Second phase of the automation process is defining the scope of automation. The application is vast and you need to know which part should be tested with automation. There are several parts which can be automation testing, some tested manually, and some will need another techniques. In order to do the automation testing, we need to know which part of the application we are going to test. This is the second phase of this automation process. Third one is planning, design, and development. This is the phase where it comes automation strategy and plan. Everything needs to have a plan. A good plan results in good outcome. Whatever you're writing, your scripts and everything is going to go inside this phase. Fourth one is text execution. Executing the automation scripts. You will be having the scripts and you will execute the script in this fourth phase. And the last phase is maintenance. To improve the effectiveness, every application needs to be tested repeatedly in a regular basis for each and every release cycle. The applications will be having release cycles which we need to test regularly. And in this phase, automation scripts need to be reviewed and maintained for each and every cycles. Moving on to the next topic, it's about automation tools. There are several automation tools available in the market now. For example, Qtp, Rational Robot, Selenium, AccelQ, Ranorex, Testcraft, Headspin, etc. There are a variety of tools available in the market for each and every purposes and different technologies. We have different automation tools. Moving on to the next topic, how to choose an automation tool. The first one is ease of use. You have to check the application and its scripting language and the language they have used. It should be easy for the automation tool to access it. The second one is supportiveness for several tests and test functions. There are several test and test functions are there, such as functional testing, test management, mobile testing, web testing is there. So it has to support for these test and test functions. And you have to select an automation tool, depends on the high functions it can support. The third one is supportiveness of various test frames. Coming to test frames, we have four types of automation test frames in software automation testing. The first one is data-driven automation framework. Second one is modular automation framework. Third is hybrid automation framework. And fourth one is keyword-driven automation. This framework is kind of like automation guideline that helps to maintain the consistency in test. And with the frameworks, it is less maintenance of code, plus improves the reusability. So these frameworks offer a very big favor to the automation tool. So we need to consider the automation tools, whether are they supportive to the test frameworks that we are going to use. There are several other things to cover. You can look deep into it. There are so many things deep inside that, but I have touched all the basics right now. So these basic things would be easier for you to understand the automation process in overall. If you have any further doubts, you can just let me know. Or if you want to know more about the frameworks or about any process or how this proof of concept works, and for those things, please let me know in the comments so I can just do another video for you guys. And that's it for today. and I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you have enjoyed my video, please give a thumbs up. And I know the last video I have messed up a little bit. I had some audio and video sync up problems. Sorry for that. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share my video. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye.